Take a look at this YouTube channel. It's getting millions of views just by uploading these miniature boat videos. And the crazy part? They're super simple to create using AI. So today, I'll show you exactly how you can make these viral boat miniature videos step by step. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for miniature boat generator. Once you find it, click Start Chat. Now, when you run this generator, it will give you 10 different video ideas. For this example, I'll go with the third one. So I'll just type 3. Now, ChatGPT will generate 5 image prompts and matching video prompts. Copy the first image prompt. Now open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Paste the prompt and hit Generate, and within seconds, your image is ready. Now let's turn this into a video. Go to Create Video in Flow AI and select Frames to Video. Choose your settings again. Upload the image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for that image. Paste it into Flow AI and hit Generate. And just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks super realistic and satisfying. Exactly what performs well right now. Save it. Now repeat the same process with the other prompts to create multiple clips. Here are a few more I created using the same method. And just like that, you can create these viral miniature boat videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche you want me to cover next.